How to activate yogurt and kefir at home with Instant Pot. In case you didn't know, the Instant Pot has a setting for making a yogurt. The timing of that setting works perfectly for recultivation or using a ready-made yogurt as a starter that has already been activated by the manufacturer of the yogurt, which will, of course, require less time. However, when using the Instant Pot to activate a yogurt starter, it might require more time due to the fact that the fermentation starts from scratch. Please consider the fact that the yogurt function of the Instant Pot is exactly the same as any other yogurt-making device. It keeps the temperature between 37 to 45 degrees Celsius or 99 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit for the time you set. Here we will explain a few methods on how to activate yogurt and kefir starter with an Instant Pot. Step 1. Boil whole dairy milk first. The easiest way is to boil the milk in the microwave in a flat container for 20 minutes. This way, the milk cannot burn, as in the same time the water in it will evaporate. You can use the stove or any other appliance. However, the microwave is the quickest and most hassle-free method. Step 2. Cool the milk down to lukewarm. It usually takes between 30 minutes and an hour, depends on the season. But in the winter it could be shorter given the lower temperature. In the summer, however, you might need an hour. Please just cover the container and let it cool down for some time. Many people use highly sophisticated thermometers. However, you just need to touch the sides of the container or just touch the milk with a clean finger. And if you can hold it there for a minute or two, the milk is within the right temperature. The bacteria in the starter flourish at the same temperature our bodies need, 37 degrees Celsius or 99 degrees Fahrenheit. However, to speed up the fermentation process, you can increase the incubation temperature to a maximum of 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Lift off and discard any milk skin or film from the milk. Step 3. Use starter culture or ready yogurt as a starter. Place 1 to 3 tablespoons of active yogurt from the previous batch, or just add the starter culture and mix well with the prepared milk into a medium bowl and stir well. Transfer the yogurt mix to the inner pot. Return the inner pot to the Instant Pot and remove the thermometer if you have used one. Close the lid, plug in the unit and make sure the vent points to sealing. During this step, the vent can actually be pointed in either direction. Step 4. Incubate until fermented and set. Push the yogurt button and add time using the plus key to reach 12 hours if you use starter culture or 3 to 4 hours if you are using ready yogurt as a starter. After this time, please check on it, and if it has not set, give it more time while keeping a close eye on it. The timing is rather steep, so it needs close monitoring until you get used to the procedure. When using starter culture and milk, the incubation time could be anywhere between 12 to 16 hours or a bit more. Please keep an eye on it after 10 hours of incubation. When using ready yogurt as a starter, the incubation time is between 3 to 6 hours or a bit more. Please keep an eye on it after 3 hours of incubation. After some time has passed, YOGT will appear on the display. Check if it has set and allow more time as you start checking frequently, every hour or so. Once set, refrigerate immediately. Please note that the yogurt needs to be thick before refrigeration. Refrigeration serves to stop the fermentation process, so your yogurt will not be too sour. However, if you do not stop it immediately after it has set, the yogurt will be too sour or the entire mix could separate. After a few hours in the fridge, you can repeat the procedure or leave it for the next day or week. The best thing you could do is to keep a few spoons of yogurt separately in a sealed jar in the fridge so you can use it after some time as a starter for a new batch, which again will need just a few hours. To learn the stages of milk fermentation, please watch our other videos or visit our website, blog, forum, or download the yogurt app